Did you know that you can earn money by reading ebooks aloud for other people? The good thing about this is that this works even using just your phone. In this YouTube tutorial, let's talk about the expectations of an ebook narrator, the skills required, the application process, and most importantly, salary and mode of payment. Do you want to know more about this topic? I would suggest you to watch the video till the end because in the middle of the video, I will share a step-by-step process that you can use to do this activity at scale. It is crazy how efficiently this thing works. So watch the video till the end, and if you're new to this channel, I guide you to hit the subscribe button like the video you are watching right now. Do that only if you like the content. I create videos on how to make money online that helps you to create a side hustle and make passive income. So if you are interested in these videos, please consider subscribing. Also, click on the bell icon so you are updated on every new video that I upload. This way, we can obviously reach more audience here on YouTube and flood the motivation internally to create content for you that add value. Liking, commenting and subscribing to my channel will make you eligible to win my YouTube Mastery course for free. This course teaches you step-by-step process for YouTube automation. So now let's get started and see that how you can make money while reading books aloud. The platform that I am part of is called wehear.com. I am currently able to narrate for their ebooks. They provide an online audiobook service that is available internationally. They are currently actively looking for ebook narrators that would help them scale their business and get more customers. So here you go. As an ebook narrator with wehear, all you need to do is literally read ebooks aloud. If you are someone who has a clear and a great voice, and if you're looking to make money out of this, then this is the job you've been looking for. Now that you know the name of the website, it is important to know the nuances around this so that you can make money online and not get stuck with any other basic formalities. Let's talk about the technical requirements and the skill sets that you need to get this job done in the most efficient manner. First, you need a laptop or a PC or a smartphone. Second, you need an active internet connection. Third, you need a mic in case you don't have a very clear voice. However, there are a lot of audio editing apps available that you. So now let's discuss the application process. Once you sign up at wehear, go to become a narrator. On the website, after signing up, you can see how the application process works by just scrolling down. Firstly, you will need to send a demo and your resume wehear team. You can send your resume and your CV at voices@wehearfm.com. The next step is to make your own hourly rate. When you click this button, and then you can start to work once your application has been approved and upload content on weekly basis. The best part is you will be paid in advance to start your own new job. We'll discuss the payment more in detail. It is important to know how this works so that you don't make any mistakes. For the demo, it will be an audio file of your reading of a specific book. And to be honest, any book will work till the time your voice is clear and understandable. For the salary and payment method, well, it is very important for us to get paid our wages, and we are looking for people who want an advance payment. The only criteria is that you get your voice done correctly and read the book without making any mistakes. The only reason why they are accepting all these processes is because they don't want any scamsters to come on the platform and disturb the ecosystem. So hence the application process is really required, and having a bank account is very well too. So now I'm just gonna give you a quick summary of we're here and an overview how you can too become an ebook narrator here. If you're someone who is passionate about reading books, have a clear voice with a good tonality, you may even qualify without possessing experience in voice acting. So don't miss out this opportunity. Grab this opportunity and start to make money just by reading ebooks out loud. If you are here new to my channel, please consider subscribing, liking and commenting on the box. This only gives us motivation to continue creating content that adds value and help people make money online. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. I really appreciate your effort and your intent to change your life and make an extraordinary version of yourself. I will see you all next week. Thank you. Take care.